I'm here at the hotel for the night. Any guesses of where I'm staying at? Yes, Los Angeles H Hotel at LAX Airport. Here for Spot LAX 2023, today and tomorrow. Spending the night at the best hotel in Los Angeles. My friends are out getting dinner. Yeah, I'm here with friends. I chose this hotel because if you're a plane spotter, you have the south side and the north side covered. Any airline at any side of the airport. You don't have to gamble on what side it is. So if you're an Av geek, please come to the H Hotel and you'll be more than secured. But yeah, the next 2 days here. I can't wait, I'm stoked. Departing on the south side is American Airlines 777 in a beautiful sunset. A beautiful sunset. And taxiing down for departure on 24 left is Lufthansa A380. American 136 Heavy to London Heathrow, which is also another good airport to watch airplanes. Alright, arriving from Japan. All Nippon Airlines. No, photos don't come out. StarLux livery from Tokyo Narita. Touching down 24 left. Behind it is Qantas. I was in the middle of my dinner. Qantas One World livery arriving from Sydney, Australia. Up next is the Lufthansa A380. Touching down after a 16-hour flight from Sydney. Alright, now rolling 1 hour late in Lufthansa 452 Heavy to Munich, Germany. Next up is Aer Lingus A330 from Dublin, Ireland. I'm trying to have my dinner, but there's good jets sending out. Alright, that's the best shot I could do. Alright, Shamrock 134 Heavy from Dublin, Ireland. Touching down after a 10-hour and 35-minute flight from Dublin. Shamrock. Now there's a break in the action. Better landing too. Something you do not see every day. A Delta A350 arriving from Atlanta. Here's why airlines do this. Planes do not make money on the ground. So in Australia it leaves at like 10 p.m. So they get in the morning and then leave at night. They put planes on East Coast and back, and then it's time for Australia. So yeah. It's a really good way of making money, I have to say. I'll take an A350. If you are a plane spotter and you like A380s and 747s, come to Los Angeles H Hotel. This is the 6th A380 of the day. Here is BA269 Super. On 2-4 left. Yeah. Are you going back to the room? I mean, I don't mind. You're fine here. I just thought you're cold. The departing to London Heathrow, British Airways, 777-300-268 heavy. Oh, did you hear about the incident on a United flight? Done. I heard it on the news yesterday. There it goes to Heathrow. So, apparently Air France is doing a test run in San Diego. A new airline, something to pride about in San Diego. I like LAX, you see everything all around the world. San Diego, nothing. Air France will be nice. But 777-300 to Paris. Charles de Gaulle. There's 2 Paris airports. I never saw French Bee today. Huh. Yes, I think so. Guys, Air France from Papeete. Like, I know it's dark, I don't know why this wasn't a day flight. The beautiful A350 1000 in total darkness. It's like, really? Dark. Oh, that's a 900?
900 just has 2 wheels.
Oh. PAL 116 from Manila. China Southern 777-300. Nice landing. The butter machine now arriving. Hawaiian Airlines from Kona, the Big Island. A330-200, nicknamed Butter Machine. I cannot wait for their Dreamliner. The Dreamliner will be nice. Like usual, a good landing. This is a brand new airline to Los Angeles. My first time ever catching this. Here is StarLux A350. It would be nice if this was a daytime flight, so that I could actually get great photos of this. Alright, this is from Taipei Airport. The next plane up is EVA Air from Taipei. Then the plane after that is China Airlines from Taipei. And then I'm going to bed. Alright guys, the second flight from Taipei, EVA Air. I don't think, if you come to Los Angeles, guys, do not pull all-nighters. It is too cold. The third Taipei flight, China Airlines, 777-300. Arriving from Singapore Changi Airport, Singapore A350 1000. A 15-hour, 30-minute flight from Singapore. That is a little too long for me. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is if you're a plane spotter and you're in Los Angeles for 2 days, 1 day, and you're spending the night, do not pick the Hyatt, do not pick other hotels. There's 5 hotels at LAX, but it's called the H Hotel. There's 2 hotels in this building, the H Hotel, and there's the Hilton Honors Suites, which is 9 and below. The H Hotel is 10th, 11th, and 12th, just so you know. This is my view out the window, which is better view in the morning. A big TV, which I didn't use because I was outside plane spotting all day. Camera, food, drinks, coffee. 2 beds. My bed, 2 beds. Toilet, sink, shower.